guys, it's Hunter's Toys here.
Hey guys.
And we got some new toys today. We're not going to open all of them, but since we got a big one, we're going to open this.
Yeah.
So let's start getting it open. He's so excited to open this. So we're just going to show you. Let's open there. This might be a little bit hard. I'm going to help him. Pull that off with the bottom.
Okay.
Sorry for the noise that's in here.
Let's open it.
Okay, you get it from here. And I got, oh my god, I don't even know how to open this up. Okay, there we go. So, it comes with a pretty, this was on sale for $9.99. Hold on, I get the tape off of it. Sorry guys. It's got one hand and this is very hard. So, there is tape on it. It's a little hard to get. Oh! Oh my gosh, look at this. You know how duct tape's like hard? Oh my gosh, look at it, you can actually measure stuff. Is that all that fell? Yeah, that's all that fell. So, it comes with a bunch of cool stuff. A hammer, and the hammer is pretty good, decent size. Like, he's hammering that. We're supposed to be screwing it. So, I'm just going to show you everything. This is a duct tape. This is how you, like, wind it. Like, you pull it out, and then you can wind it with that. And then we got a saw. It's not a wheel saw. Don't let kids use wheel saws because those can hurt. And then it comes with a good, very, very good decent size hammer. Like, this is a very good decent size. And then it comes with pliers. Then it comes with a screwdriver, which, well, it actually comes with a screwdriver. It comes with 2 screwdrivers. Then they come with these kind of, these bolts. And it comes with these woods. And it has this one just for a different kind. Right? It's on now. So he is walking. So, it got a good, decent amount of space in there. And then when you turn it over, like right here,
You dropped something.
it's okay. You get that, and that's a good, decent size. You can actually use this as a real, like a toolbox. This is a pretty good size toolbox, and you can get some more stuff to it. And I got this at Toys R Us for $9.99, and it was originally $11. Say like and subscribe. And say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.